is up, YouTube? My name is Mighty JQ, back with another video, and today we are doing a quick video on how to make easy money on Farming Simulator 19. So you can do this on PC or console. So first, go to the home page and go down to the mod section. Now go all the way over to objects. Has a picture of a sandcastle on it. Click it. Okay. Then you're gonna want to go all the way to the end. Just like this. Takes a minute. Okay. Now you're gonna want to click on the placeable solar panels mod. Then you're gonna want to install it, which I have already done. So take a second to go do that. Then after that, go back to your home page. My thing keeps freezing. There. Then go up to Creo. Then go over to a new game. You can do it on any of these. I like to do it on Phone Manager. Doesn't matter which map. Do that. Make sure you have all the mods selected. Then load the game. Real quick, while this is loading, I just want to say like and subscribe. That's all I have to say. See, this is kind of a slow process. If you do this right and you leave it for half hour to an hour, you come back, then you should have millions in your bank account. I said you can do it on any of the modes. I think the best mode to do it on is the middle one, Phone Manager. I think it is. Anyways, yeah. Only do this if you have patience, because it'll take a little bit. By the way, sorry for having a shaky camera. I have to hold it because I don't really have like a mount or anything to put it on. And it froze at 96%. Okay. So then you're gonna wanna get into your game. Then when you get in, you should see this. Okay. Then you're gonna wanna go to the shop. Go over to placeables. Click on miscellaneous. Then you're going to want to go all the way over. Then you will see these 3 solar panels from the mod. First, I'd start out with placing as many of these as you can. Then as many of these. Then as many of these. That's how I would do it. So, whoops, wait. And I forgot that first you have to do something else. So you're gonna have to buy land, or just do it right here. You can do it anywhere. And buy it. So the land is bought now. Now go to the store, miscellaneous. So place as many of these as you can. Just go down. Hold on. I just go crazy with them. Okay. Until you get that, it says you do not have enough money for those. Then go over to the next one. Then place these until you don't have any more money. Then, well, actually no, you can only place those 2 because the next one is 7,500 or 75,000. So then, just go to options and go to game settings and set the time scale. Starts on times 5 to 120 times. Then set economic difficulty to easy. Then kind of just get out of it. Just leave it for at level 2. Then when you come back, that money right there will have a lot more. So that's how you do it. Just nice, easy, simple. Takes a little bit of time, but something to do. It's good for console, really, because there's no other ways. On PC, there's some mods for it, but not really. It's mainly for console, but you can do it on PC too. But I just wanted to put this out here, and hope this helps you, and see you later. Bye.